writing the program. Okay. So this is our main. So I'll create a new package. Okay. New class I'll directly create and give the package name also here. Exception handling programs. So give the class name. Arithmetic exception. So demo. Take the main method. So and give it. So I'll take two variables. One is private static. So int a equal to 50. Comma b. Just a b value. I didn't give anything. I just assigned a null value. And then let's see this. So I'm going to do int result equal to a by b. What I'm doing, just observe this. So I'm printing a by b value is plus result. And then, so int sum equal to a plus b. Sum of a comma b is sum. Int subtraction is a minus b. Sum of subtraction of comma b is the subtraction. So int, so multiplication of a multiplied by b. So multiplication of comma b is. Okay, so this is the so a multiply b, a minus b, a plus b, and a by b. So these are the values. So now see, so here you are dividing a number with, so what is the b value?
Null.
Null.
For integer, what is the default value?
Sorry, 0.
0.
I told you very clearly, null only for the string and object, right?
Yes, sir.
For integers, it will be 0. So now what we are doing here, dividing a number by
0.
0. So then what will happen? What kind of exception you will get?
Arithmetic exception.
Arithmetic exception you will get. Then how can you handle arithmetic exception? Okay. So arithmetic exception you will get here. So let's see. The remaining code won't execute if you don't handle exceptions. See, I'm not handling exceptions here. So let's execute this. See, no code executed here. And also line number. So you read this. Exception in thread main, java.lang.arithmeticException divided by 0. So this, how do you know which line is here? There are so many lines of code is there. How do you know which line is giving exception here? See that. Package name, class name, method name, and here line number. What is the line number here?
8, sir.
8, sir.
8. So 8 line, it is throwing a null pointer exception. Sorry, arithmetic exception. Arithmetic exception, I already told you why you will get arithmetic exception. So if you divide any number by 0, that's you are getting. So let's handle this. My rest of the code is not executed, stopped completely. So how to execute the rest of the code also? Just handle this. Because these two lines belongs to same code. So surround with a try catch block. And you put here arithmetic exception because you know exactly which exception it is throwing. Arithmetic exception. So print stack trace means it will give you multiple lines of code, multiple methods you are calling. Step by step it will be shown to you. So which line it is throwing error, all those things. So that step by step exception will be thrown to you. So that is the arithmetic exception means. Okay. And now let's run this. See, remaining code will execute for you. Even the exception occurs in this line, then it will jump to here. Okay, it will jump to here. So let me write the finally block also. Finally block, what I told you, always. So even exception occurs also, finally block will execute. Exception doesn't execute, doesn't comes also, finally block executes. So error or whatever it is out, it's up to you, whatever you want. So maybe you can put here a error, okay, if you want. So that's the try catch finally. See, try block, catch block, finally block. All are blocks. So let's execute it. So what will happen now? Even the exception occurs in the try block. Now catch block will execute, finally block will execute, and the remaining block of code also will execute till the end. Because we handle the exception. That's the reason. Okay. So let's see now. See, exception occurring, but still your rest of the code is executed. See, even now this line throws exception. That's why divided by 0 exception is thrown, line number 9. So this is the line number 9. It is you're getting exception, and that's why what will happen. Catch block will catch that error, and catch block is executed, and this one executed. Then finally block executed. See, finally block executed. Then rest of the code is executed. If there is no exception in the try block, still, for example, 5. So then now B is not 0. Now it will execute. Now this also executes. If there is no exception in the try block, catch block will execute or no? Catch block won't execute. See? So try block executed. then immediately jump to finally block. Then rest of the code is executed. So that means in any case, exception occurred or exception doesn't occur. So finally block executes always. Both cases are finally block will execute. But when catch block will execute? Only when there is an exception in the try block. If there is no exception in the try block, then catch block won't execute. Please catch that point. But finally block, both cases it will execute. That's what finally block code executes always. So it executes always. Finally block code gets executes always. So that's the main concept of arithmetic exception, why you will get and how to handle this arithmetic exception. Are we clear?
Yes, sir.
Any questions? Run in the debug mode. Then you will come to know more clarity you will get. Okay.